Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made my colored lip gloss with glitters and shimmers. If you want to see how I made the clear lip gloss, you can check my previous videos to see that recipe. This is me clearing my archive from 2 years ago. So yeah, I made this video 2 years ago, but I thought to share the recipes with you. So if you want to see how I made it, let's go straight into the video. I'm using two bowls here because I want to make two different colors. So here's my Versagel, which is my lip gloss base. Yeah, this is actually a TKB product lip gloss base, but I can't place where exactly I got this base from. But however, I'm going to look for a suitable vendor for you or wherever you can buy from, and then I'll place the link in my description box whenever I find a suitable one. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to just measure up my lip gloss base differently into my bowls because I want to make two different colors, so I'm not going to mix them together. So after this, I'm going to have my cold pressed coconut oil to check out my consistency for an extra moisturizing feel and for an additional flavor. So yeah, I'm using my oils to reduce the consistency because this TKB Versagel is really thick and I wouldn't want to use the base like that. So I'm just going to mix with my oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but make sure that your oil has a comedogenic rating of 2 because you would really want it to be really moisturizing. And yes, you can use more than one kind of oil in this. What I usually choose coconut oil because of the extra flavor coconut oil has. So you keep mixing until you get the right consistency that you want for your lip gloss. If you want it thick, then you just add little oils, but if you want it pretty light, you can add more oils until you get that exact consistency. So after getting the consistency, I'm going to come in with my colors. Here I'm using mica pigment colors because of the shimmer that it has. So here I'm using gold color mica and purple red mica. So you can use any color you want. I'm just trying to show you how you can make your own colored lip gloss because I already made the clear one in the first video. So here you can use any color that you want depending on the flavor that you're trying to make the lip gloss represent. So after this, I'm going to mix in the two colors differently, and as you can see, there's this shimmer that mica gives. It's really different from other cosmetic colors, so it's really nice to use for lip glosses. So after this, I'm going to add my fragrance. Here for the pink one, I'm going to be using strawberry fragrance, and then for the gold one, which also looks yellow, I'm going to be using banana fragrance. So after I'm adding my fragrance, I'll just mix everything together, make sure that we're cooperated. If you want to add some glitters, you can add it at this time, but you must make sure that the glitters are able to pass the mouth of your syringe. If not, they won't go into your bottle. So yeah, I have my lip gloss tubes, and I'm going to be using this particular lip gloss tube this time around. You can as well add your glitters directly into the tubes if the glitters are too big to pass through your syringe. Okay, the syringe is needed for piping because we may not be able to pour our lip gloss directly into the tube, so I'm just going to do it this way. So after filling in my tubes, here what we have: a pink shimmering lip gloss with strawberry flavor, and also a yellow shimmering lip gloss with banana flavor. And then I also made another one which I didn't film. I used a lighter pink mica for this, and then I also added some butterfly glitters, and then the flavor was strawberry mixed with bubblegum fragrance. Okay, so I think I already labeled that because I actually made this for someone, a friend, and then I labeled it as well. So yeah, you can just customize your lip gloss just how you want it. So here we have pink, strawberry, yellow, banana, this mixed with strawberry and bubblegum fragranced lip gloss. So Harmattan is coming really close, so you can make a quick lip gloss for yourself or your family, or you can make to share or give to your friends this season. Please support this channel by subscribing to it, and if this video is helpful, please give this video a thumb up. Thank you for all your support, and I really appreciate you clicking onto this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.